Hi guys, we're back up north. We're on the trail. We're going the other way. Look how beautiful this is. The colors are simply amazing. Beautiful, beautiful. We're heading towards the bridge and we'll get to see some of the rapids. But such a lovely section of this trail. We're looking for mushrooms, which are almost impossible to see. And the ones I did find were not edible according to what I know of. So my daughter says, let's pick up some clover. I'll show you. We're picking up some clover. We're going to make some clover tea when we get back. So that's okay. I was looking for goldenrod. There's still some goldenrod, different places. Still has goldenrod. Look at this. This is water irises. I figure if we can't find that, maybe we could find some tree mushrooms. Yes? Oh, what is it? A turkey? Pheasants?
I think.
Beautiful.
So no, DJ, you can't go there.
What a beautiful trail.
Like he smelled them.
It was so beautiful this morning. I wanted to take a video. It was so foggy and misty outside. But then Chi-Chi had to go out. I forgot my camera inside, so I didn't get a chance to record it. Now this part of the trail, you can see the road down there. Not my favorite. If I'm going to be on a trail, I don't want to see a road. But it's heading us to a beautiful spot, so we have no choice. We're almost there, and I'm going to show you how beautiful it is. They look like twins. Yeah, perfect place. If you have a house up here, it's a perfect place to come and take the bikes, and you've got almost like a 300-kilometer ride on a bike if you want to. It could take you like a whole day non-stop, or you could take it and make a little pit stops and maybe find a little inn to rest at night or camp. Hear the water? How beautiful. It comes up from the top of the mountain back there. Beautiful. Erica, see the water? So you're gonna see why we like coming this way. And my fingertips are frozen, guys. Wish I could show you. There's a pheasant there. Not sure if you can see him. It's too late for the sumac, guys. Everything's dried up. This is what the sumac plant looks like. Looks like a tropical plant. But yeah, we didn't quite make it this year to come and pick up sumac. Sad. We are picking up some clovers. Very high in protein, guys. So that's what I've been doing. Trying to do this without... I should have brought my tripod. See, this is a sumac plant. But the sumac is done. Now, if you would be picking this when it's fresh, you'll see there'll be bright red. And if you take these, you could even throw this in food. Just like lemon. So good. But when it's fresh, delicious. And they kind of dry it up. See? So good. Next year. Next year would be better. Oh, we got to run around the road. Okay, so I'll show you what it looks like soon. I smell valerium. Oh, you can hear the rapids, eh? There's a famous red bridge over there. This is the Red River. That's the bridge. And there's a famous red bridge. Sandy beach there. River is just simply stunning. It's one of the most beautiful rivers. In the summer, it looks like blood red. Beautiful. Butterflies. My stomach was giving me the willies. I got some nice shots of the water though. This is a great place. Yeah, we should have brought a snack, Erica.
I know, I was thinking the same thing. We should have brought lunch.
We should have brought lunch. We could have kept walking.
Well, we could still walk a bit more.
Yeah, we'll walk a little more. These huts, not huts, these outhouses are kept so well, I can't even tell you how great they keep them. I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. Look how nice and clean they keep them.
They don't smell like
Nope, they don't smell at all. And they have hand sanitizer.
Look at BJ.
Very clean. It smells clean. Plus they have, this is something we want to do to ours. The sun just keeps everything sanitized. UV rays just sanitizes everything. But here we go. So yeah, they really keep it nice and clean, guys. Perfect. I did the same thing with the one that we have in the back of the house. I made sure to put a little bottle there. I mean, nobody's coming to the house except for my granddaughters when they do get a chance. But now we're in the red again, so we can't even get together if we want to. You're not allowed to visit with other families. Every time I see a fallen tree, I'm always looking for some mushrooms. Some oyster mushrooms would be nice. But when we come up here, we don't visit anyone, and we basically stay with ourselves. We have plenty to do around here anyhow. Take long walks and go into the forest, even in the back of the house, where we can go look for some shrimp of the woods. I don't know if there's any left, but we did find some back there. They were so good. We beer battered them, and I can't even tell you, when you bit into those mushrooms, once they were battered, it was like you bit into a shrimp. It was so freaky, because we haven't had any animal products like over 14 years, that when we bit into that shrimp of the wood that was beer battered, it tastes like shrimp. Hard to spot any mushroom now. The only mushroom that you're really able to spot would be something on a tree, because on the ground it's a little more difficult with all the maple leaves and all the leaves that are on the ground. And if someone wants to walk on a trail and not worry about having to climb mountains, I know there's a lot of people that can't climb up mountains. This is the perfect trail because it's flat. So they turned it into a bike, rollerblading, there's cross country. So you could do a lot of activities here. Snowshoeing. Erica and I got snowshoes last year. That's the goldenrod, guys. Goldenrod is still showing up. It started showing up in July. That was crazy. That's not normal. Beautiful wooded area up there. It's all private though. It's still morning here. We got up, we had a nice breakfast. My husband made us some of his delicious home fries, home potatoes. And yeah, we ate and decided to go for a nice long walk. So if I see anything good, I'll show you. Otherwise, I'll meet you back at the house and see if we can find any of those shrimp of the woods. Okay, guys, love you, and I'll see you in a bit. Come on, Chi-Chi. Come up. Come on, up. Hi, Erica. You got a feeling?
Did I tell you?
Beautiful.
Wow.
There's always benches on the trail, beautiful rapids, and they have this little nook. You could climb up this little nook, and there's a lookout, and there's tables if you want to bring a lunch. What a beautiful spot.
Wow.
Good idea, Erica, for
I felt it. I told you.
For
I said
more
I
walking.
knew we were going to see something beautiful. This is such a nice,
My-
I like how they did this.
my feet are a little, this toe, my sock is like under my, I should remove it, eh?
I'm going to go down here.
Erica? You should have bought her poles. What a beautiful spot. Good place to rest. Hey, Chi-Chi? Chi-Chi, you got leaves all over your legs. You got leaves all over your nose. Hi, JJ. Say hi to everyone. Say, I'm Chi-Chi. Name is JJ. JJ is for Jordan Jr., but he's nothing like Jordan. Hey, Chi-Chi. He's special in his own ways. What a beautiful spot. Look at that. There's a little bird lookout. Some tables to rest on. I love this trail. This trail, they make it so convenient for everybody. And we're still going. From La Belle, we're heading towards L'Annonciation. And look how beautiful this river is. Oh, so breathtaking. I could fall asleep to these sounds. I wish we had lunch now, Erica. All right, guys. See you in a bit. Oh my goodness. I can't even describe how beautiful this section is. Look at this. The colors. My God, the sky is black over here. Yet the sun is still peeping through. So, so beautiful. And with the sound of that water. Oh, we just passed the Italian rapids. And it was just breathtaking. Still very choppy water here, but so beautiful. There's my daughter ahead of me. I want to look for mushrooms, but who wants to see mushrooms when you have a view like this? Look at a nice beachy area right there. Do you see it? Erica? You see the beachy area right up there? Hey? Right there, look. You see it right there? Beautiful. So we've been walking for a while. Hope it doesn't rain on us. Not that we're afraid of rain. It's not the first time we walked in rain. Creek on one side, the river on the other. Yeah. Hey? It's still water. Yeah, lots of frogs and toads in there, that's for sure. I bet the mosquitoes in the summer will eat you up in this section. Hey? Beautiful. Really nice. I want you to see, guys, what my daughter found. Oh my goodness. Erica, move your head. It's a trunk full of oyster mushrooms. Oh my goodness. Hallelujah. Erica had a feeling that something good was going to come out of this walk. Yay, guys. JJ, my dog is tired. There he is. Hi, beautiful. You know how long we've been walking now? It's about 9 kilometers. And we still have to walk another 9 kilometers back. So we're going to do about 20 kilometers today, that's for sure. Oh my goodness. Do you need help? Erica?
I need more bags.
Hey?
I need more bags.
What? More bags?
Yeah.
I told you, come and get it. Okay, guys, I'll show you once we've picked them up. Okay, guys, we're back. I just want to give you an idea how these mushrooms look. We have 3 bundles. We cooked some, but look at my hand, and now look at the size of these mushrooms. Look at the quality of, do you see these mushrooms? These mushrooms just popped their heads. They were ready for me and Erica to pick them. But I'm going to show you, she took a picture of the tree itself, how many mushrooms were on that tree. And we didn't find anything else except for these oyster mushrooms. But we have some that we cooked, and we have large bundles that I am going to put in jars under oil, and that's how we're going to preserve them. So this way we could have a little at a time and enjoy them. They're so beautiful and meaty. I just cooked some, but look at the quality of these mushrooms. They're huge, 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 huge. And I just cooked these with a little bit of olive oil and salt. That's it. That's all you need. They're delicious. Okay, guys. If we find anything later on, we just got back. My legs are a little sore. We haven't done a long hike like that in a while. But it felt good. We did it and we enjoyed ourselves. So later on, we're going to go out there. We're going to get some more honey mushrooms or maybe some shrimp. And then I'm going to show you what they look like. So we'll see you in a bit, guys.